Hey guys, it's kind of a blustery, rainy day today, and we may have some major issues with my water. So check it out. This is a nice day today, and we put this sidewalk in about 2 years ago, and I put this little section in, and look how wet it is right there. See that? There's water coming up right there. That's not good. This whole section from here to here has got to go. Okay, so I think it's probably, I thought it was going to be this, but I don't think it is. I think it's somewhere in my main water line, which is worse and definitely no bueno. All right, let's get a shot of this and we'll turn it back off. It's my main water line. It's got a hairline crack in it, and it appears to be getting worse. My GoPro ended up overheating, so I lost a bit of the footage. So here is what my connection looks like with the compression tee removed. So I ended up purchasing a new compression tee and put it on the existing threaded part that was there since there was a hairline crack. Once I did that, there was another hairline crack that appeared in one of these elbows on the bottom. After I replaced all of that and put on the compression tee, I turned on the water and it was starting to rain, and it looked like it was good, so I just left it overnight and then came back to check it in the morning. So this is my water main with the new compression tee, and you can see it's leaking from the threads. So a couple things happened. That is my compression tee. That cracked. And then once I got the compression tee all figured out, I noticed that one of these elbows also had a hairline fracture. So I had to replace this section as well. I'm going to leave that uncovered all night as well. I want to make sure that we're just sealed up, that there's no issues coming out of it. So just going to leave it uncovered for tonight, and then tomorrow I'll go ahead and clean it all up. So I took off that compression tee multiple times trying to figure out what was wrong with it. Turns out there was something wrong with the threads on my older one, so I had to replace everything. So after about 3 days of troubleshooting, I take it off, put it back on, put some more thread on it, try even to put glue on it, and nothing worked. I was always getting a drip, and I really don't want to drip, especially on my main line. So Friday, I got another compression tee, my second one, so I spent, I'm going to spend $50 on this by the time I'm finished with it, with all the concrete I had to dig up, and the compression tee and all the fittings and whatnot. But I mean, that's a pretty cheap fix in comparison to calling someone out still. So even though it took me forever, Kitty wants to say hi. She likes to come and meow at you. And then when you try and give her attention, she runs away. So there's something called a thrust block where you really don't want this to move a whole lot. So I'm going to be putting a couple of bricks inside of here, like so. to keep it from moving around a whole ton. And I think that's what happened last time. Last time we had some movement. There was not a whole lot of stuff inside here. So it just got cracked after a while. So we're going to try and put in a thrust block so it's not going to be able to move this way or that way. I have one underneath it as well. And that hopefully will be enough to keep it from cracking and doing this whole thing again. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.